Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and Big Thief here with the song called Change. So this one, if you look at the music video, you will see harmony and peace there. Because we are looking at an owl, a bear, a T-Rex, and something else. They're sitting at a fire camp there, perhaps churning some hot dogs, I don't know. But they're singing together there. And this one is very easy to play and handle this song. So let's start with this one, capo on the 3rd fret. And we have 3 different chords to learn only. So let's start with the G first. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be C, but with a G in the bass. Like this. So that will be 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the 3rd and final chord will be D, but with an A in the bass. So you play the open A, the open D, the 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Yeah, so those are the 3 chords, and we need to first and foremost look at the strumming pattern. So it will be divided into 2 parts: down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So let's see with the G chord there, be like this. So 2 parts there. So let's start with the first part, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then comes the second part, up, down, 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 up. 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 So if we connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so now when we got this, we will look at how we play one strumming patterns, because it will be the same that goes on and on through the entire song here. So you will play G, then the CG, then the DA, then back to CG, and to G. So it will be like a pyramid there. Starts with G, then CG, and on the top DA, then down to CG and the G. So you got the image there of the chords there in the pyramid. So how do we play this? You're gonna play one full strumming pattern for G, then one full for CG, then the D with the A in the bass. You will play just the first part, the down, 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 up, and the same goes for the next CG chord. You play just the first part, down, 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 up, and then you end with the full strumming of the the G. So full G, full CG, first part on the DA, first part on the CG, and full on G. So G full time, then CG full, then first part the EA, then first part CG, and G full. Full. D part 1, C part 1, and G full. So that will be played through the entire song. Now we have a couple of melodies here. I can give you the intro. I believe that is one important thing here in the song. Most times if you choose to play one melody, it will be probably the intro, because that gives you a good start, and many times people recognize songs by the intro. So I will give you this actual melody and teach you how to play this. Then we have another two melodies, one in the middle, one guitar solo, and one in the outro there. And then I will just give you the brief notes there, and not perhaps teach out exactly how you would play it, because yeah, you will understand why later. But this one, the intro, we will look at this part, and it's not that hard. You will play for the intro one chord progression for just the strumming. So I speed up a bit now. So that's one round. And then on the second round, which is still intro before the start to sing, on the G chord only, you will have this melody, and it goes like this. Okay, so we'll try to incorporate this melody intro into the strumming. So it will be like this. And so on. How do we play this? Yeah, the melody goes here, starts on the open A string, then the second A string, then the open D, the second D, the open D again, then the open A, the second A. So far, open A, second A, open D, second D, open D, open A, and second A. And then you just end with third on E, then open A, then second A, and open D. So I'm gonna play this very slow for you, so you can be able to follow and yeah, see what I'm playing there. So let's go. Yeah, so that's the melody. And like I said, you will play all these notes on the first G chord. So then you switch to the C or the C G. Yeah, so how I do that, I don't play and strum every note here with my right hand. So I actually just hit the string when I switch the string. So I hit on with my right hand on the first A, of course, open, and I just hammer on the second A. Then I need to hit with my right hand the open D string, and I just hammer and pull off on the second fret there on the D string, and I need to hit the A again, open, and then I hammer on the second fret A, and then I need to hit the third fret, the third fret E string here with my right hand, and then also the open A and the open D there. So I believe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I'm working with my right hand. I believe it's not that hard technically, but probably I would play that for in most cases there. So I'm working a lot with my fingers here with the hammer on the pull-offs, and that's a technique that is very common here if you want to have a good flow and play pretty fast easily. So that's why you work with this technique. So if you look at my right hand here, sorry. So that is how it goes, and then you just continue strumming. And so on. Yeah, then you just go through this entire song here. It will come to verse, chorus, verse, chorus, and after this second chorus there comes a guitar solo. So yeah, it's hard to explain exactly where, but after the second chorus there's a guitar solo there, and there's some melody here. I brought it out there, and I will just go through different notes there, and you will try to hit the notes in the strumming pattern, but it won't really work with a standard strumming pattern since that is the second guitar playing there, while the other one is playing the strumming, so it won't fit exactly here. So you just have to kind of hit the notes and strum your way through this chord progression here. So that's how it sounds now. Okay, so the melody will be something like that. I'm not like exact on where in the timing I hit the notes there, but it will sound pretty much like that. So open G, open A, second A, open G, second D, and open D. That's the part that belongs to the G chord. So okay, then comes the C. So you play the open B and first B, and that's it. And you just continue strumming, and then the D part will be, so that will be the second on G string and third on B string, and then comes just first on B string. That will be the next chord, the C, and then that's the only thing there, and then the open D ends with the final G chord. And then just continue the strumming there. There's also an outro melody here in this song. It will go something like this. Okay, so that's is how it could sound. So again, open G string, third B string, and open B string. That's the part that belongs to the G. Then comes the C part here. So that will be open G, second D, and first B. Then comes the D part here. You will actually have to go up here to the 5th fret. What I do there, I just bar the 2nd fret here, the G, B, and E string. When I hit the note here, if I choose to strum here, I have it barred like this on the 2nd fret. So that gives you the image of a D in the sound there, pretty close. So 5th fret on E string and 2nd fret E string. And that's it when it comes to the D parts. And then comes the C part. That is the open E, 3rd E, and open E. And then comes the open B string on the G part, the final chord. So that's what you could do with this melody. It's not exact, like I said before, in the timing, but yeah. Anyway, it should be fine for the song, because this one is a bit, yeah, it's a cool song, So good luck with this one, and if you don't want to play the melodies, just skip them and go through the strumming. So yeah, that's it for this one, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know, and see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tuned.